You can get this credit card with bad credit score. Look at this. You can get pre-qualified for up to $1,000 credit limit. Imagine getting a credit card with bad or worse credit and getting a credit card when everyone is denying your application. Then this is indeed a very important video for you. If you are struggling with your credit, then make sure you stay with us, because in this video, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. And make sure that you stay with us at the end of this video, because I'm going to give you step-by-step guide how you can apply for this credit card and how you can get this credit card worth up to $1,000, or you can say credit limit of up to $1,000, and you can get pre-qualified for it. Means you will not see any impact on your credit score when you get pre-qualified. But before I begin, all I need is just a little favor. It takes 2 seconds to please hit that like button on this video. So without any further ado, let's begin, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the opportunity for you, and this time is from Aspire. Aspire is a financial institution which actually gives you a credit card of up to $1,000 credit limit. As I mentioned earlier, that I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide, so make sure you stay with us, and you can get approved for this even if you have less than perfect credit score, means bad or worse credit. Again, the big opportunity in this one is that even if you have bad credit, it will not impact your credit score when you apply, or you can say when you see your qualification, and they call it pre-qualification. This is an amazing opportunity. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research before you apply for any of the credit products, but this is again an opportunity for those who are struggling to get a credit card right now. And on top of it, you can get up to 3% cash back, and there is no maximum. This is huge. Means you can actually earn unlimited 3% right here with Aspire credit card. The more you use it, actually let me just zoom in for you, the more you use it, the more you get back. Live your life your way with unsecured Aspire Cashback Rewards Mastercard, packed with great benefits. It's designed to give you more flexibility and purchasing power, along with a 3% cashback reward. Good anywhere Mastercard is accepted, then is go to card for any lifestyle. This is an amazing opportunity for anyone who is struggling to get a credit card right now. Remember, this is a financial product. It comes with an APR, so you have to pay back on time, otherwise you will be hit with a massive APR. As I mentioned earlier, that this is a card for people who have less than perfect credit score, or bad or worse credit score, or for many people they have no credit score. This is not an option for you. You can actually go for the secured credit card. I'll tell you about it in another video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Checking whether you're pre-qualified does not hurt your credit score. This is amazing, and I love these credit products which actually offers that when you pre-qualify, it doesn't impact your credit score. But you need to understand, it's not pre-approval, it's pre-qualification. Means even if you apply for this, they'll give you the pre-qualification, but it doesn't guarantee your approval. When you fill out your application, they'll do a hard pull, so make sure you remember this. And of course, then they'll take a decision, or a final decision, after analyzing your financial situation. Well, according to them, they have online mobile account and access, free credit score, great opportunity. You don't have to pay fee to experience on any other credit services. Zero fraud liability, means if someone uses your credit card without your authorization, you can get the money back. Unsecured credit card means you don't have to put any money into deposit. It's unsecured, means you can get the perks of unsecured credit card without putting any money. Periodic credit increase reviews, means they will actually check your credit in every 3 to 5 months, and they'll see that if your score is improved, they'll actually give you credit increase, and they'll also give you the credit increase if you pay your bill on time. And of course, they'll give you the transaction alerts as well, which I love, because many times a number of people miss that what they've bought in the past, or if someone is using their card without their authorization. This is a great way to know that what's going on. Pre-qualification process is simple. Request your Aspire Cashback Rewards Mastercard today. Well, we're gonna go towards it, but first there's a disclosure that this is a pre-qualification, so you need to keep this in mind. So let's see how you can get pre-qualified for it, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this application page will open. Complete the fields below to apply for the Aspire Mastercard. They report to all 3 credit bureaus. An amazing opportunity if you're in the market to build your credit. This is something that you need to keep this in mind. A number of other credit card companies, they actually report to either 1 or 2 credit bureaus, but right there they actually report to all 3, means Experian, Equifax and TransUnion. So you're in good hands. Mastercard is accepted at 40 million locations online and in-app and in-store. We always suggest you to go with Visa or Mastercard because this is the way to go. Well, they ask for your name, your address, your email, your cell phone number, as well as your date of birth, your social security number. Don't worry about it. They'll not do a hard pull. And of course they'll ask for your annual gross income, and of course they have a addendum right here, so you need to click on accept. And after that they'll actually give you the details that how much is the coverage and stuff. They have an over limit coverage as well, so keep this in mind. They have a scope of coverage. In most cases we will not decline transaction that cause you to over a credit limit for up to $100. So for example, if you get a credit limit of $1,000 and you're buying something that is $1,100 worth, then of course they'll give you $100, and of course they will not charge you anything, and they might not decline your transaction. And after that, of course, they ask you to accept or decline, and then there's a summary of credit terms, so you need to keep this in mind. They have the annual percentage or APR, which is quite high because, as I mentioned earlier, this is a card for people who have bad or worse credit, and the APR is quite high, 36%. President Donald J. Trump actually capped it to 10%. I don't know how it's gonna work right here, but you need to keep this in mind. Paying interest, well, your due date is at least 25 days after the close of each billing cycle, so you need to keep this in mind. Pretty standard words right there. And of course they have annual fee as well. If you have an initial credit limit of $1,000, then $175 for the first year. After that is $49 annually. That's how they earn. They earn with this fee, they earn with the APR. And of course this is one of the perks of having a bad credit score, but don't worry about it. On the Credit Oaks show, we'll actually give you each and every tip and trick that will allow you to increase your credit score as fast as possible. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it right now. If you have initial credit limit of $500, then it's $125 for the first year and $49 for the second and the rest of the year. Then if you have a credit limit of $400, then it's $99 first year, $350, $85, and of course they'll give you other annual fees as well. And of course they have account maintenance. If you have initial credit limit of $1,180, annually billed at $15 per month. So this is something that you need to keep this in mind. They actually charge a lot of fee, so you need to keep this in mind, as this is super important. And if you miss this, of course it's going to ruin your finances, so please make sure you remember that. They have 3% amount of each balance transfer. They have cash advance, $10 or 5% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. Foreign transaction is 3% each transaction amount in US dollars. So if you use your card anywhere, then of course they'll charge you 3%. Outside of the US, then charge you 3% right there. They have late payment penalty of $41, and return payment is $41 as well. You have to accept it if you want to proceed, and then of course you can submit your application. This is a step-by-step guide for you. If you have any question related to this very important opportunity, then make sure you let us know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Well, remember, I'm also going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can get that personal loan even if you have bad or worse credit. If you want to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video whenever we upload it. Make sure you smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and have a good day.